Betrayal, I'm offering Singapore services. If you wonder how it came to be, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Laurent Timmermans. Welcome to ATHENASIA. In this video, I will explain you why we started to offer services in Singapore. So in 2019, we had these protests in Hong Kong. They were not as bad as what was depicted in the Western media, to be honest. However, some people, inclusive some of my clients, get scared by the situation. You know, what will happen with Hong Kong? What is the future of Hong Kong, etc. So we needed a plan B. We started to look at options for Hong Kong. Now, if you look at Hong Kong and Singapore, if you make the comparison, which we will do soon. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel because it's about to come. We'll have a proper comparison coming soon. So if we compare both, Singapore tend to always lag behind a little bit compared to Hong Kong. You know, Hong Kong is cheaper. Hong Kong is easier. So yeah, and there's other reason, but I won't go into that today. However, if we start to have some issues and, you know, we get sanctioned by the US, for example, then yeah, Singapore start to become the clear winner. So this is why we turn ourselves towards Singapore. We started to look what we can do there. And then we developed the services there. Some of our clients, the most well off, to be honest, because you know it takes extra cost to just open a second structure, decided to open a company there and started to run the company as a backup. So that was the initial idea. Now, operating in Singapore, what we realized as well is that our accounting fees were really competitive. So now we are also going into the local market for accounting, and we are helping Singaporean business to do the accounting using our services in there. So if you're interested by either a backup, or you just want to open a company, or you already have your company in Singapore and you are looking for an accountant, don't hesitate to send us an email at info@athenasia.com and we'll see what we can do for you.